Hi guys, welcome to Pranav's Creations of Origami. Today I am going to show you a weapon used by all warriors around the world. It is a weapon used by hand, which yes is already weapons are already used by hand, but most common one, the most common weapon, the sword. I am going to show you how to make an origami sword. So, let's get right into it. So, to make the origami sword, you need to get a square piece of paper. But if you don't know how to make a square piece of paper and you have a rectangle piece of paper, click here. Okay, so anyways, back to the money. To make this, you want to fold this in half and fold it the other direction. Now you want to unfold and you want to fold this down and make many triangle folds. And it's just like making a paper arrow. Right now this is paper aeroplane fold. But we need to turn it over and do the same. So it doesn't look much like paper aeroplane. Now let's turn it over and do the same. Big diamond, four diamonds inside it. So you want to fold this down. You want to fold this and this down, and then you will see you have a line. This line is used to bend this back because you want to bend this back look like a triangle or gem or something like that. Or you could just fold this down. Just put your finger here and put your thumb finger here and just pull your thumb finger down. Just pull it down and it will start folding. And now you will have a diamond like that. I don't know how to describe the shape, but now let's turn this and fold into a rectangle. Turn it around and do the same. So now you want to look behind and then you want to fold that inside and fold it out. So this is going to be the limit point, or like this thing of the sword. So let's turn it behind and make the handle part can hold. So to make that part, you can choose any side and you want to put your finger into the extra diamond piece you can see can turn it over and tada! You have made your origami salt. So I hope you enjoyed